I'm doing this thing, guys, where I just like record shit, and one day it's gonna be out. It might be today, it will not be today, it will not be anytime soon. But one day,
2 years, you'll just see the video.
Bagam, out there on the net. But for right now, because every day, you guys know hot.
I mean, nigga, you got a whole scarf, all that shit.
This is true talk.
Niggas, you guys know hot. Mine's never hot.
Shit.
I went to go buy weed. And the weed guy...
Listen. I'm going to add this shit too. 2 years later.
So the guy had a dope jacket. I was like, yo, fresh jacket. I was like, oh, fresh jacket too. So he's cross-eyed. He gets in the car and this nigga tried to bond with me on some cross-eyed shit.
I'm done!
You're like, hey bro, yeah, we definitely gotta fuck with you, we do on the same ice shit. The nigga was not like, I mean, as long as one of them work, that's all that matters. Then he took off his hat, I was like, yeah, I wanted to get that shit tatted on my head, all sick.
Well, you tatted the third eye on this shit?
Bro. I was like, yeah, in my mind, I was like, is this one mine? Nigga, first of all, both my eyes work, nigga.
Guys, we've been in here for a little while, but since I'm not used to vlogging, I forgot to pull out my phone. But now that I have pulled out my phone, check out my card right there. I'm not going for anything in particular. I'm just tossing anything and everything in there, and then we'll filter later. How about that? Right now we are in the Salvation Army in Alpharetta, I want to say. But I don't know. I feel like they're not giving me any deals here, so I shouldn't shout them out. Is that fair enough? And look at this. Looking like Papi Chulo. What about this? Looking like Papi Chulo's right-hand man. Excuse me, I had to put it back on the hanger, because don't you just hate when you go somewhere and like the clothes are messy, like you can't find anything, you literally cannot find anything because people just mess every single thing up. Like I told you guys, I am just tossing any and everything I can. Say what's up, guys. He's going to Albania for 2 years to go to work.
Come back, George complexion.
Dead ass. Yo, but it depends. And this is that man's car. With all this cartoon shit. I tell he was a fan of Marvel. You better see what we got. Okay, so tell me everything you got. Oh, that's a nice little thing. By the time you iron it out.
Yeah. So this is one of my picks.
Okay. Pick one.
This is his pick.
Pick two. Oh, you got some.
Yeah.
All right.
This is mine. Is this yours? Yeah, this is definitely yours.
How you gonna take this one and you don't take the one? What?
Yo, this shirt is nice, so.
Yo, I feel like I brought this shirt back here. No, I'm sorry,
This is another one.
No, that's a dope ass shirt because I've actually started. I bought one exactly something like this from the thrift store.
It's one of my picks.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is, with everybody's picks, you guys are gonna try it on and then
One of my picks.
you see what it looks like. I want to feel the material. Damn. Oh, this is nice.
Guys, from afar.
This is nice. That's a nice pick from Dan Rose. What is this, toddler? Like, I think it's done. That shit is done. She got emojis.
And that's it. No shit.
So when it comes to thrifting, it's about the experience, right? You know, it's to find something you just don't find anywhere. And that's what I love about it. Ooh. Ooh, can somebody say ooh? Hey.
So I'm picking 3. This
Try
one.
it on with the hat, let me see. Hey.
Hey, what? Everybody go like, oh,
Yeah.
do you make music? Are you a sound caller?
So we are finally done with this shop. Spent a whopping $31.18. Got 3 bags. Did you guys enjoy Salvation Army?
Yeah. It was like,
It's a cash app to get your products, boy. But yeah, so it was a good time. We had 2 stops: Salvation Army, Goodwill. This is off of Perimeter, and I'll show you guys a little more detail of what I did get. I'll dress it up, make it look nice for you guys, you know. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later.